Sure will.
That one not working.
Right.
Oh yeah, you're good to go.
Yeah. Fields of lavender. Wonderful. Wow. Beautiful smells. Beautiful sights.
You've been in here lately?
Yeah. First, during the heat wave, it wasn't very slow.
Yeah.
Yes, it
You should get busy. And I don't think they've sold any online, but they've got kind of.
Let's take a walk. Beautiful smell. Beautiful smells. I wish I could package it up and put it in the camera so you can smell it. It's such a wonderful, peaceful smell. Beautiful.
No, Mommy wants a picture on the bench.
Why does your bum like that? Your bum.
Should we got up there? It looks like more cornhole.
Yeah.
Oh, the smells. The smells. You can see the tractor with marks where the tractor comes down, as Louise explained to us how they harvest the lavender, and you can see the black plastic that traps the weeds, and they've got to come along after their harvest and pick out all the weeds by hand. What a job. You see they're getting darker as we go higher, they get darker. as she said. Wonderful smell. It's beautiful. Fields of lavender. Wonderful.
Without the school catalog.
See, there's a black plastic that traps the weeds. And after the harvest, they've got to come along and take out all the weeds out of those plastics by hand. That's a job. That's a job. Big job. Look at all those fields. Castle Farm, Kent, United Kingdom, June 2026. It's not a bad day out if you love lavender to come and experience the sights and the smells. Wonderful. The smell is indescribable. When I go back, I'm going to have a look at some honey and some jam and some garlic and all the other things, the oils, the candles that is produced from the lavender. There's also gin and tonic. Unfortunately, I don't like gin.